So hey guys is not always the start, but we are gonna be starting a new journey, and it's already daylight, man. I needed to leave around 2 hours late. I needed to leave at 4:30 or 5:30, man. It's 5:49 right now. I'm already late. But yes, we are gonna be going to Vellore. We are gonna be meeting our online friend. Yes, that's gonna be happening today. I know it's kind of a dream, but yes, we are gonna be going to Vellore, and I'm gonna record the whole journey. Yes, I'm gonna be recording the whole journey. But before that, I need to fill up petrol, man, because this shit ain't got nothing.
ये गरीब की माँ की चूत
0-0 on trip. Let's begin. Genuinely, man, leaving the city is the one of the worst thing you can do right now, man. Because in morning it's fine. Let's say you become a little bit late, more than like 5. Let's say I start leaving at 7 or 8, man. It's gonna be hell. And I live in Bangalore, so yeah. People who live in Bangalore, you guys know what you have to do. I mean, you know the pain, man. I'm telling you, you guys know the pain. So, well, here we go. We are gonna be leaving Bangalore, and this is the highway that is gonna lead us to main Salem highway. And yep, and this is the double-decker flyover of the Bangalore. And this is where my latest video was shot. And yes, I know what you're gonna be like. Hey, you can't drive that fast. I know, man. I know. There, the speed limit is 40. I did when everybody was empty, and I did it under extreme precaution. So and we are gonna, holy shit, the fuck, man, we are almost 20 kilometers done with our journey. Another 180 kilometers more to go. Fucking hell, this is gonna be fun. And I got some difficulties when my camera wasn't working properly. Why did I have a voice crack so bad that, oh my god. So far we have reached Hosur, and we have completed 40 kilometers, and we are covering distance really fast. I'm not stopping anywhere or anything, because I don't want to take a break, because it's a really short distance of travel. And yeah, I don't really need a break or anything. Yeah, there is a lot of traffic though. I think the traffic should clear up as soon as we leave Hosur and all. Hosur extends into Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So yeah, that's there actually. So, and when we are going on high speed, my mic tends to pop and crack and does every kind of shit it wants to do. Doesn't listen to me because it's not an independent being. So yeah, it's an independent being. So fuck it, man. So I stopped in for food, and apparently it's a little too early for food. I don't know how it's a little too early. So even that veg hotel is not even open. I wanted to eat some garam idlis and dosas and everything, but nope. I don't want to drink tea as well, man, because drinking tea without anything in the body just spoils the body, man. But there is nothing to eat. I'm currently hungry. You know what? Let's grab a tea, dude. It's much better. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a tea and just keep on heading till Vanambadi, and make sure that I reach Vanambadi in another 1.5 hours. Yeah, Vanambadi is not far away from here. We are almost done with our journey, man. I don't know how it's going so fast, but yeah. Where is Anna? Anna, tea kudiyana. Samne Anna samne. Anna, 1 kg Anna. So I think we have completed another 100 kilometers there, and yes, 100 done, and another 100 kilometers to go. Yes, we are halfway through. I don't know what place is this, which village is this, but yeah, I think my microphone is a little too close to the mic because of wind blast and me shaking continuously, but doesn't matter a lot. Yeah. It's been peaceful, man. I had a tea, and I feel a little bit of energy surging back into my body, and I think I want some garam idlis of Tamil Nadu, man. I am sounding like a racist right now because I completely don't hate Karnataka idlis. I love them a lot. Let's not start a debate in comment section over what idli is better than what idli is better. Yeah, so let's not do that shit, okay? Because it's gonna be all out to war. And I think I'm charging my GoPro as well while I'm doing this, because my GoPro ran out of battery. I'm recording with my GoPro plugged in, and so far it's been good, man. It's been good. So I think we have reached Vanyambadi, dude. I think another 80 kilometers and we are gonna be done with our journey. We have reached Vanyambadi. Let's take a stop, drink some water. Water. I need some water, mate. I need some water. Let's drink some water. Another fellow biker. Let's drink some water, mate. Let's park over here. Let's drink some water, man. हमने पानी पी लिया है. वी हैव ड्रिंक वाटर. ನಾವು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. सबका ट्रांसलेशन हो गया है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द जर्नी, मैन. एंड so keep yourself hydrated, man. Oh my god, police wala, stop. What the fuck, man. So always stay hydrated, dude. If not hydrated while riding now, it's gonna be dangerous. You're gonna get cramps and all. Let me just, yep, you're gonna get cramps and all. So make sure to stay hydrated, bro. Make sure to stay hydrated. If you're not hydrated enough, then you're gonna struggle to ride. Always stay hydrated. Let me just check if my bags are okay. Yes, my bags are okay. They're putting new road. They're installing new road. They're laying new road. I don't know English, man. Whatever. So far, so good. So, yeah, we have completed almost 200 kilometers. What the hell is that, man? Is that an R15 carrying luggage? Oh my god. And it's a V4 as well. What the hell did I just see, man? Okay, so we are reaching Vellore, and we have completed 200 kilometers approx. It's 196.7 kilometers, and we have done it in just 3 hours. And the 3 hours passed by so quick, man. It didn't feel like I was riding motorcycle only, man. It was so peaceful, man. This bike is oh my god, we have arrived at Vellore. Vellore is our destination. Vellore City Municipal Corporation welcomes you. Ah shit, did I miss the exit? Oh fuck yeah, I did miss the exit. But I still need to go further because Google auntie didn't say anything in my ear. So apparently I have to go to gate number 1 of VIT. I have no idea where to go that. I'm not gonna show you the rest of the footage. I'm just recording so that I can show you the train. Yeah, that's it. I don't know when it's gonna come around, but we are gonna wait over here. See, that's the thing you should not do. You should not do that. It's a really bad thing to do. The train is coming up. I wanted to see a train. It just made my day. Ah yeah. That is so risky, man. If you do that kind of shit, it's too risky. You should not do. See? People can hear the train but still crossing, man. Why can't people can just wait, man? मरे तो मरेंदे, छोड़ो, ना क्या होने का है. Is it a curve? No, I can hear the train. Oh, it's all the way over there. जल्दी जाओ, भान के लड़ो, मत जाओ.